Are you stupid? Are you dumb? I don't know if this is going to work for an intro. Let's just jump straight in.
Upgrades.
So, are you stupid? Great question, isn't it? Well, I want to know the truth. Have you ever changed your opinion? And were you stupid before you changed your opinion or after you changed your opinion? So, the problem with opinions, and probably an issue you're having too, they probably get you stressed. They probably wind you up when someone doesn't agree with your opinion, which is ludicrous, really, because we all love to learn. So why would we not learn from someone else's opinion, okay? An opinion is a great place to just start conversations about things you might never have spoken about, opening up to things you might never have learnt about. Someone else's opinion, they might have read a different book to you on the same subject, both by expert, both with brilliant talents and both with brilliant knowledge, but both with one tip each. And you didn't know the other one until you spoke to the person. So come on, guys. The way to actually open up opinions is discussion. So instead of, as I spoke about before, instead of the arguing, but this, but that, ask why this? Why do you think that? I would like to know your side of the story, because the more I get, the more progression I can get from this one situation. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to use it to my advantage. If anyone's got an opinion that differs to me, I look at it as, wow, I hope they've got something I don't know about yet, because I could advance my level by just listening. I don't even need to try it. I just go, why do you think that? And listen. It's so simple. But hey, we all get caught up, as I said, in this rat race of having our name tied to every accolade, so you need to know best. I'm telling you, you don't. It's a silly way to live life, and you'll find that the higher up you go in life, the less people care about their actual name. Okay? Sounds silly, but the higher up you get in life, the less people care about their name. You can see some of the biggest businesses on the planet, you don't know who the owner is, they're not sitting there bragging about it. I mean, apart from obviously you get your odd ones, Elon Musk, legend by the way, but what I'm saying is if you don't concentrate on that and you concentrate on getting your accolade, learning from people's opinions, acknowledging you're not right all the time, that's a challenging one. Trust me, I had that whole bloody God complex, thought I knew everything until I sat back and went, you're an idiot. You need to learn more. You've got so much to learn. And that's why I'm here. I mean, I read so many books and I love reading books, but I am taking their opinion, learning it against my own opinions and teaching it back on this channel. Because there's so much stuff in life I thought I knew everything about. And then you speak to an expert or you speak to somebody from the other side of the coin, somebody that's seen everything you've seen, but from the flip side. Opinions, learn from them, okay? And I want you to do that because, as I said at the start, you're not stupid then, you're not stupid now. The opinion did not change your intellect level. The opinion just changed your thoughts on the subject. So if somebody has different thoughts, which we all do, you can learn something. So today, what I want you to do is find a subject that you think you're an expert in. I don't care if it's Xbox or makeup or I don't even care if it's movies. Just think of one that you think you're an expert in. And then just go and learn 3 new things about that subject. You're not an expert. Not yet. I promise you, even if you're into neuroscience, I don't know if you're a biologist, I promise you, you don't know everything yet, and you never will, because everyone's opinion is a new gift of talent, a new gift of information, and you don't have everyone's opinion yet. So like in all my videos, I'm going to tell you to take a step back, look at it from the outside view. You are just one player in this game. You need to level up, and all of the other characters are there to help you. They're there to press X, press square, to interact, to learn their opinion, to guide you on this mission of life. So I'm hoping the same thing goes for you and you can start to learn from other people's opinions and use them to your advantage, because opinions are not arguments. Opinions are lessons. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little rant. I'm off. I'll be back later. Have a good one. See ya.
It's him.
The anomaly.
Do we proceed?
Yes.
He is still.
Only human. Upgrades.